Welcome to our Juddhaven project. We worked on this project with Kelly Project Management, and since we're outside the entrance right now, all of the beautiful landscaping we see here is done by a company called Stone to Steel. So we're gonna have a little bit of a tour around, and then we also have another video that you'll potentially see of the boathouse. As we walk down to the entry of our Juddhaven project, you'll see this large overhang here, and it's really done as a gesture to help draw you in and show you where the entry is. And as you see behind me here, we have stunning views all the way through the building to Lake Rosseau. As I walk over to the other side of our entry here, you'll see that we have a bit of a dropped window well here. And this is done as a way to draw light into the basement area and really act as kind of a focal point for the entrance. As we walk into the entry of our Juddhaven project, you're greeted by this expansive view, and we use the technique called compression, which we compress the entry, and then that expansive view kind of uplifts you and makes you feel more welcome into the space. As we walk a little bit further in, this is our living room area, and one thing that you'll notice is obviously we have the big expansive view, but we also tried to have some windows on the sides to really allow light to come in and from all directions. As we move farther into our space, we have our kitchen over here on the one side and our dining room with, again, a big expansive view towards the lake. Our kitchen has this massive island which allows you to entertain and put lots of hors d'oeuvres out or just hang out while people are cooking. I'm over on the other side of our kitchen and dining room now, and this is our four-season Muskoka room. And so the reason why it's four-season is we can close this big sliding door across here, which allows our clients to kind of shelter this area from the air conditioning in the rest of the cottage, and they can kind of keep this open. And so it's just another auxiliary place where our clients can hang out and really enjoy being at the cottage. This is a pretty large 4-foot overhang, and that just allows us to have a bit of shade and a bit of shelter from the element. As we move down to the end of our hallway here on the opposite side of the kitchen and dining room, we have our primary suite here, which we have walk-in closet, we have a bit of an office area for our client, and a pretty expansive bedroom with, again, great views towards Lake Rosseau. Moving back down the hallway a little bit, our first room is actually this ensuite secondary bedroom, and one thing we really try to do in a lot of our cottages is to have a secondary bedroom on the main floor so that if we have elderly parents or elderly guests, they have a place to use and it doesn't involve stairs or any of that kind of stuff. So we have an ensuite here, a bit of a closet, and obviously this bedroom. Follow me downstairs and we'll have a look down there. As we get to the bottom of the stairs, you can really see the impact of the amount of natural light entering this recessed light well area on the corner, and then just the amount of glass that's upstairs. So we have lots of light down here, and it really makes this rec room area just that much more bright and enjoyable. Down here we have a bit of a rec room, so we have a little bar area here, we have a TV area, and then a pool table. So just, again, another great place to hang out. As we walk down the hallway here, we have our first bedroom here. It has a Jack and Jill and a walk-in closet. So the Jack and Jill obviously shared. So if we walk down a little bit further here, we have the other bedroom that shares with that Jack and Jill, which has its own walk-in closet. And then we have our last bedroom at the end here, and this bedroom has its own ensuite as well as a walk-in closet. Down at the other end of the house here, we have a bedroom, a gym, and another bathroom. This gym is designed so that it could be used as another bedroom, but our client is currently using it as a gym. We're just finishing up the tour of our Juddhaven project. As you can see, we have this big expansive deck. On this elevation, we have tons of windows facing the lake. So we have just every room has a gorgeous view towards Lake Rosseau, and I think that was one of the key design strategies with this project, is trying to figure out how to get as many views towards the lake as possible. Where we are right now, we have a little bit of fire pit, and then obviously you can see to my left we have a staircase down to the boathouse, and again we have another video for the boathouse, so stay tuned to watch more of that. We also have some videos of the construction of this project, so if you want to see a little bit behind the scenes, go check out those videos. And that's our Juddhaven project. I want to thank again the team at Kelly Project Management, for Simon and Will and their guys for doing such a great job on this project. Looks phenomenal, and again, since we're out on the landscaping, stone to steel for this great landscaping.